stand still, missing you 1 year on. It's been 1 year since you left this world, but the ache in my heart remains as fresh as the day you passed away. Time, they say, heals all wounds, but I'm not convinced. Every day feels like an eternity without you by my side. I remember the little things about you, the way you smiled, your infectious laugh, and the way you always knew how to make me feel better when I was down. These memories are bittersweet, bringing both comfort and pain. I find myself wandering through our home, expecting to see you in your favorite massage chair, busy blasting your sound system, happily eating your favorite foods, teasing me before bedtime, and upon waking or cooking up a storm in the kitchen. But you are not there. Grief is a journey, not a destination. It's a roller coaster of emotions, sadness, anger, guilt, and even moments of happiness. I've learned to navigate these twists and turns, but it's not easy. There are days when the pain feels overwhelming, and I wonder how I'll get through the next hour, let alone the next day. But even in the midst of this grief, I am grateful for the time we had together. You were my rock, my partner, and my best friend. We shared a love that was pure, true, and unconditional. I cherish the memories we created, the laughters we shared, and the adventures we embarked on. As I navigate this new reality without you, my husband, Tom, I'm learning to find ways to honor your memory. I've started doing things that remind me of you. Cooking your favorite meals, watching your favorite movies, teleseries, and even K-dramas, and visiting the places we loved. It's not the same as having you here, but it brings me comfort. I know I'm not alone in my grief. There are countless others who have lost loved ones, and I take solace in knowing that I am part of a community that understands my pain. We may not be able to bring back our loved ones, but we can support each other through the darkest of times. As the days turn into weeks, and the weeks turn into months, I will continue to hold on to the memories of you, my husband, my Tom, my everything. I will cherish the time we had, and I'll find ways to keep your memory alive. Though you may be gone, you'll never be forgotten. It doesn't matter that others have moved on because you're gone. What matters is the people who still cherish our bond and support me through thick and thin. As you said, I need to stay strong despite the challenges. The people who truly love and support me are what matter now, not those who have turned their backs on me. I know I will slowly heal and my emotions will become lighter. Some days I'm happy, but then I'll suddenly feel a wave of sadness and miss you terribly. I'm coming to terms with this process. Grief is a lifelong journey, not something that ends. Then, now, and always, my love for you, sweetheart, my husband, my Tom, remains. I miss you, and I love you so dearly.